Hey all food lovers, and welcome to my channel Cookingaddiction. Today I will show you how to prepare a healthy drink using split green grams, that is your Moong dal. In Goa it is known as Moonga Conn, and it is often had during evening time. It is very good for pregnant women, nursing mothers and growing children. So let's see how you prepare it.
I've taken 150 grams of split green grams, that is your moong dal. Get rid of any impurities like stones which may be present in the grams. Add water and soak the grams for 1 hour. Take 50 grams of grated coconut and grind it with little water till you get a fine texture. After 1 hour, wash the grams 2 times and drain it and transfer it in the pressure cooker. Add water, double the quantity of the grams, add half a teaspoon of salt and close the lid properly. Light the gas stove and keep the pressure cooker on the flame. Keep the flame on medium. Let the pressure cooker blow 10 whistles. After that, take the cooker off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. The gram should be completely soft. In a separate vessel, add 500 ml of water. Palm Jaggery, Sugarcane Jaggery and ground coconut. Bring the mixture to a boil. Let the jaggery dissolve completely. Add the boiled grams and give a quick stir. Taste to see if you require salt and sugar. As per this recipe, I have added half a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Cook it for 10 minutes. Add cardamom powder and cook for more 2 minutes. Corn is now ready. Serve it in a glass. Enjoy this healthy drink during evening time.
If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. If you all have any questions and suggestions regarding this recipe, you all can write in the comment section below. Till then, I will see you all next time in my next video.